When I go shopping in an English-speaking country, I always remind myself to stay calm and keep things simple. I don't need perfect English. I just need clear and polite sentences. Shopping is actually a great way to practice spoken English because the situations are real and repeated, and many of the conversations are very similar every time. Usually, when I walk into a store, the staff smiles and says, "Hi, can I help you?" I often answer with a simple sentence like, "I'm just looking, thank you." This sentence is very useful. It tells the staff I don't need help right now, and it feels natural and polite. If I do want help, I say, "Yes, I'm looking for a jacket," or "I'm looking for shoes." I speak slowly and clearly, and I don't worry about my accent. As I walk around the store, I may see something I like. I can pick it up and ask, "How much is this?" or "How much does it cost?" These are very common shopping sentences. If there are different sizes or colors, I might ask, "Do you have this in a larger size?" or "Do you have this in blue?" Even if my grammar is not perfect, the staff usually understands me. Sometimes I want to try something on. In that case, I say, "Can I try this on?" The staff may point to the fitting room and say, "The fitting room is over there." If I need a different size, I can step out and say, "This is too big," or "This is too small." These short sentences are easy to remember and very useful. While shopping, I also like to practice listening. I listen carefully to how the staff speaks. They often use simple and friendly English. For example, they may say, "Take your time," or "Let me know if you need anything." These are good phrases to learn and use later. When I decide to buy something, I go to the counter. The cashier may ask, "Are you paying by cash or card?" I can answer, "By card, please," or "Cash, please." Sometimes they ask, "Do you need a bag?" I usually say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." These small conversations help me feel more confident speaking English. If there is a problem, I try not to panic. For example, if something is too expensive, I can say, "It's a little expensive," or "I'll think about it." If I want to return an item, I can say, "I'd like to return this," and then explain simply, "It doesn't fit," or "I don't need it anymore." Shopping also teaches me polite English. I often use please, thank you, and excuse me. These words make a big difference. Even with simple English, being polite helps communication go smoothly and makes people more patient and friendly. Over time, I notice that shopping English becomes easier. I don't translate every sentence in my head anymore. I start to respond naturally. I feel more relaxed, and I enjoy the experience. Shopping is no longer stressful. It becomes a practical and enjoyable way to practice speaking English in real life. In the end, shopping is not just about buying things. For me, it is a chance to practice real English, build confidence, and learn how people communicate in everyday situations. With simple sentences and a calm attitude, anyone can use shopping as a daily English practice.